Hi, Chris here again, Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. Lovely part exchange vehicle. Customers just collected a T7 Transporter, traded in this super Volkswagen Transporter T6.1. It's the Highline model, registered 2023 on a 73 prefix. It's done just over 19,000 miles, so super mileage. It's finished in Indium Grey. It's the high engine output, the 204ps DSG short wheelbase panel van. Got additional option of LED daytime running lights headlights, and also when the customer purchased it from a Volkswagen van centre, he had one or two Volkswagen fitted options. Okay, so I'll walk around the video presentation and just point out some of the additional options. Super condition, as I say, has been fully detailed in-house, so we do like to prepare our vehicles to a high standard. So just trying to see if there's any stone chips have been professionally touched in. So of course it's done 19,000 miles, so there will be the odd light stone chip, but nothing major. Being the Highline model, it's got the front and rear park sensors, adaptive cruise control, multifunction leather steering wheel. One of the options fitted at Volkswagen with this ABT front splitter, just down there, ABT. Corner in front fogs as well, they're all standard. Nice thing to see, Volkswagen emblem on the windscreen, so all the glass is original as well. Now it's had the Volkswagen Trident gloss black 20-inch alloys, has got some all-season tyres on the front. Customer did live in Scotland, so I guess he's had the all-season tyres, just give you that extra grip. Folding heated wing mirrors, they're all standard. It's a short wheelbase model, 204ps Highline panel van. Things can be fitted like black sidebars, gloss black pack, grills, etc. We do have options available, but we've left this particular vehicle as it came in. So it's got the roof spoiler and roof bars on there, bumper protector, rear park sensors. It is what we call the barn door model, so twin opening doors in the rear. And it's got one side loading door, which I'll show you shortly, on the near side where they usually are. So it's running on 275/35 20 tyres, 102 wide for the load rating. Ideal base van for a camper conversion or a work van. Some people do buy them and combi convert them, so you know, Volkswagen seats, combi seats and fixings are ready available. So there's lots and lots of different options available for this vehicle, but as I say, we've just left it as a panel van for now. Very few of these full transporter, so Volkswagen produced T6.1, not lots of them about now with super mileage. Go in the driver's cabin. It's got the Volkswagen proper rubber mats in there. Driver's seat with armrests and dual passenger. Leather multifunction steering with adaptive cruise. CarPlay enabled with your USB cable. DSG gearbox, air conditioning, park sensors. And you see there it's just done over 19,000 miles. Auto headlights and windscreen wipers, lights and vision as we call it. Not been used as a van, I think it's been used more as a recreational vehicle. All ply lined out, can be removed, as I say. Some people buy these vehicles and convert them to campers, combis. You can remove the bulkhead. Lots and lots of different options available. As I say, registered late 23 on a 73 registration number. So it will have had just one service completed recently. These are on long life regime, so up to 25,000 miles or 2 years, whichever comes first. Still under manufacturer's warranty as well, until October this year. Showing the there we have it, lovely Transporter T6.1, 204ps DSG Highline model, 23 registered on a 73 prefix, 19,000 miles, yes, 19,000 miles. Lovely condition, ABT front splitter, 20-inch black Trident alloys, roof bars, wind deflectors, roof spoiler. Really, really great, looked after, clean vehicle. Now this will be live on our website shortly, www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. All the photographs, description and this video will be uploaded, but in the meantime, any questions, part exchange welcome, finance options available. Certainly give myself Chris a call, 07888 989877, and thanks for watching. Hopefully speak to you soon. Bye for now.